How to become an Amazon affiliate? An Amazon affiliate. Affiliate marketing is an advanced methodology where a web based retailer empowers specialty to make remarkable items joints called affiliate links. The site proprietors should advance the connection. In return, when somebody visits the connection and makes a buy, the site proprietors consequently gets commissions. As a member, you just bring in cash. Once the connection is utilized is an exchange. The Amazon affiliate program, also called Amazon Associates, can be a simple method for adopting your site or blog. It is a partner advancing project. It is free for website owners and bloggers to become Amazon associates. The advanced things from Amazon.com on their objections by making joins whenever clients click the association and buy things from Amazon. They score reference charges. Into an Amazon member is an extremely direct interaction. All you really want to do is make a site or blog. Explore to the Amazon Associates landing page and snap joins, enter your record data. Enter your site address, enter your favorite store ID. Make sense of how you direct people to your site. Pick your installment technique. Make Amazon affiliate joins in 5 stages. You complete your excursion to turn into an Amazon partner. Prior to applying to Amazon's subsidiary program, you want to have a live site. You should distribute a few unique posts prior to presenting your application. Stage 1. Sign up to the Amazon affiliate program. Begin by going to the Amazon Associates landing page. Select your language and area from the top menu and afterward click the yellow sign up button in the header. The following page will request that you sign in with a current Amazon account. On the off chance that you don't have one, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button and you will be taken to an enrollment page. Whenever you have set up your record, return to the Amazon Associates landing page and sign in with your subtleties. Stage 2. Enter your personal details and website address. Then, how about we go through the application bit by bit? On the primary page, account information, you will be approached to give and affirm your own subtleties, principally your name, address, and cell phone number. At the lower part of the page, select the fundamental contact for the record you are making. You can pick yourself as the payee by checking the payee recorded above choice. On the other hand, you can add one more contact by choosing the subsequent choice. Whenever you are done, hit next to continue on toward website and mobile app list. Here, you can add the web addresses where you intend to advance Amazon items. This can incorporate sites, websites, YouTube channels, and versatile applications. Stage 3. Build your profile. The profile page will request that you keep some data about your websites or portable apps. Begin by setting your associate's ID. You can involve your name or your site's name for this. Note that the ID will likewise show up in your associate's connections. Then compose a couple of sentences making sense of what's going on with your site. From the rundowns gave, pick the themes that best portray your site. Pick the sort of Amazon items you intend to advance and select the kind of websites or app you own. In the traffic and monetization segment of the page, you will have to let Amazon know how you will direct people to your site and how you will create cash from your substance. Utilize the rundowns gate to choose the choices that apply to your site. Prior to tapping on Finish, you should peruse the Associate Program Operating Agreement. Stage 4. Select your payment preferences. Whenever you have assembled your profile and hit Finish, you will see a page affirming that your application has been submitted. You will likewise discover some data about utilizing your associate ID and exploring the offshoot program. Amazon will audit your application whenever you have made the initial deal. Throw your site on the off chance that you don't make somewhere around their deals inside the following 180 days. Your application will be removed. This page will likewise request that you enter your installment subtleties and expense data. However, you can decide to do that later. Stage 5. Start generating your affiliate links. That is all there is to it. You are currently an Amazon partner. Note that Amazon requests that you recognize yourself as an associate and put a disclaimer on your site. You should do this immediately to try not to get restricted from the associate program. Whenever you are prepared to make your most memorable Amazon partner connect, go to the Amazon Associates landing page.